Hello guys, how you doing? Today I want to show you two features of the ZTE Blade Spark. I don't know if you guys know about them. The first one is called My Pop, and here it is. You go to settings, click on My Pop, and this is how you enable it or disable it. So I'm gonna enable it. What this does is pretty much create a floating pop-up, a little circle that you can use for shortcuts to different applications or features on your phone. If you want to customize them, you can click on custom button here, and then from here you have the options here. So for example, this is the main one. This is the first one that is going to appear. Right now it's set up as home, so every time you click it you go to home, but you can change it by selecting it first and then switch it. You change it here, so now it's the back button, it's not the home. So click again and click on home, and now it's the home again. But you have extra shortcuts here, right? This one, for example, is going to mute the phone, but you can select it and replace it. Let's say if you want to lock the screen, so now it's going to lock the screen. You know, this one is going to create a screenshot. This one is going to mute it, and this one's going to create a menu. But you can, again, instead of the menu, you can put I don't know, status bar. You can change this. All right. So my pop now is enabled. So let's go back to home. Oh, here it is actually. So this is my pop right here. You click here, you go back home, right? Or let's say I'm in settings and I want to go back home. Boom, back home. How do you see the other icons? You just drag it and then you see the other stuff. So let's say you want to print screen, right? You drag it here, you click that one, and then you have the print screen. As easy as that. And again, this is gonna take you to the home. And to see the other ones, that's the other one. The other feature I want to show you guys is the fingerprints. You can put up to 5 fingerprints, and you can have shortcuts on each of the fingerprints. So if you go to settings, security, fingerprints, you're gonna see 4 fingerprints. Each fingerprint has a shortcut to the camera or the browser or a calculator, and it's a pretty useful shortcut. Here is actually the first fingerprint is gonna launch the browser, the second one the calculator, the third one the camera, the fourth one the clock, and it works like this. So you close it like this, boom, another one, calculator, and you can have more fingerprints on the other hand. This is the camera, and the other one is the clock. So that's how it works, guy. I hope you like it. See you in the next one. Peace.